Hi there, I'm Mel, head makeup artist for ILLAMASQUA. Now in this video I'm going to be introducing you to the ILLAMASQUA brand, as well as taking you through some of our top pick products for makeup artists. ILLAMASQUA is a British makeup brand born back in 2008, and we've always been a brand that really appeals to makeup lovers and to professional makeup artists. And it's really down to our high-performing, innovative products. As a brand, colour is super important to us. Our colour formulas are highly pigmented, and we always ensure we've got a great selection of shades for all skin tones and makeup needs. Makeup artistry has also been a real key part to the brand's identity, and we create products that allow you to explore your creativity as a makeup artist. Over the years, we have created some of the best-selling artistry products, many of which I'm going to be sharing with you here. These are not only favoured by ILLAMASQUA fans, but from an artistry perspective, they are the products that you really must have in your kit, mostly due to their versatility, their colour payoff, and also their incredible formulas. So for now, let's start by looking at our top picks for creating skin looks. Hydra is one of our best-selling primers. This is a lightweight gel formula and is part hydrator, part primer, so it instantly hydrates and smooths skin with self-leveling technology. It contains microalgae, vitamin C and B3, which all work together to help maintain skin's hydration levels, creating a really healthy looking balanced finish. Hydra gives a soft natural sheen to skin and is great for all skin types, but it also comes in matte veil for a velvety no shine finish, and beyond veil, which has a soft golden glow. All veil primers come with a small applicator that allows you to hygienically scoop out the perfect amount. To apply, simply smooth onto cleansed skin prior to makeup. It dries quickly, giving skin a smooth, hydrated look that you can then build your makeup application onto. Skin-based foundation is our award-winning, best-selling foundation, and it's actually the #1 product in our entire range. This lightweight, easy blendable foundation smooths, softens and conditions your skin. It's been tested in HD environments, and this foundation provides the ultimate skin realism finish. So it's a soft sheen that mimics natural healthy skin, and I always describe it as a demi-matte or an eggshell finish. It's also buildable depending on how much you use, so it can go from a sheer to a full coverage, and you can even use it like a concealer. I like to build it up in pea-sized layers until I get the desired coverage I want. It's a great makeup kit essential because of its adaptability and its coverage. And regardless of how much coverage you create, the skin realism effect always makes skin look healthy without being overly matte or overly dewy. Sitting within our skin-based family, we have our skin-based concealer pens. This handy pen gives full coverage, making it great for concealing areas of pigmentation, under eyes, blemishes, and it can even be used for highlighting. It has a soft matte finish and contains pro-vitamin B5 to help the moisture balance of the skin. This handy, easy to use pen has a liquid consistency, so it blends really easily on the skin. Liquid highlighter that is highly pigmented, so a little goes a long way. It can be used over foundation like a traditional highlighter. It can also be worn under the skin products for an ethereal glow from within, or you can mix it into foundation to make a matte finish more glowy and dewy. Colour Veil is our Hydra Veil primer but with added blusher colour, and therefore it has the same hydrating, smoothing benefits as our iconic primer. Now, the gel consistency of Colour Veil makes it one of the most unique blusher formulas on the market, and it's available in really lovely natural blusher shades for all skin tones. This gel formula buffs onto skin and stays in place, giving you the soft radiance of a cream blusher but the long wear of a powder. When it comes to getting a sun-kissed glow, our colour correcting bronzers give you the option to adapt the warmth you add to any skin tone. Now they're available in 3 shades, but each bronzer contains a cool and warm tone bronzing shade and a unique blue strip. The blue strip is super sheer, and when mixed with the bronzing shades using a large makeup brush, helps to neutralise any redness, giving you the most perfect bronze glow to skin. You can also use the 2 bronzing shades individually, allowing you to create and adapt a bespoke sun-kissed look for your makeup. The colour correcting bronzer has no shimmer, but instead gives a satin glow finish. Our loose powder is another kit-worthy bestseller. This finely milled translucent powder will set makeup in place and mattify, leaving skin smooth and shine-free. Thanks to the formula, it won't alter the coverage or colour of your makeup and is great for all skin tones. After repeated touch-ups and applications, the loose translucent powder won't build or cake on the skin, allowing your makeup to stay exactly as you intended. Moving on to the eyes, and I want to introduce you to Raven Mascara. For me, this is a true makeup artist mascara. It's an extremely voluminous formula and will give you beautiful lashes instantly without the need for building layers, even when you're using a mascara wand or brush. Raven is jet black and has a medium-sized fluffy brush which holds this mousse-like formula. It gives a full lash look without clumping and will not drop. So at ILLAMASQUA we have a multitude of eyeshadow palettes, but there's a few standouts when it comes to makeup artistry and kit must-haves. The first unveiled is the Ultimate Bridal Classic Beauty Palette, and this is our biggest selling palette. It contains a collection of skin tone shades in warm terracottas, beiges and browns with a row of matte and shimmer finishes. But if I had to just put 2 palettes in my kit, it would have to be Elemental and Experimental, because I know that with these 2 I would be able to create any kind of look. These 2 palettes were actually launched together and have continued to be popular with students and professional makeup artists. So Elemental is a collection of earthy muted tones, and Experimental is based on a colour wheel with pure matte primary, secondary and tertiary colours. Elemental has everything you need for beauty and editorial looks with muted cool and warm tones, and it has useful basic colours such as white and black. All the shades are matte with the exception of one golden shimmer shade. Now Experimental is the complete opposite. It's a collection of pure colour, perfect for when you need to make a really bright impact. Highly pigmented, this palette allows you to create standout looks on the face and body, and it's also great for creating bright blushy looks or even an extreme matte lip look. When it comes to extreme glossy lips that feel lightweight and comfortable, then look no further than loaded lip polishes. This is a collection of 14 shades that give extreme shine and a full colour payoff without the need for even a lip liner. Enriched with sweet almond oil, this formula helps to condition lips, and while it gives a super glossy finish, it feels like a balm with no stickiness. Glaze, our clear gloss, really is a useful product to have in your kit as it gives instant shine with no colour, and that really allows you to add it on top of any lip product when you need that extreme glossy finish. Glaze is also great because it can be used on any area of the face and actually is really good on the eyelids for a high shine fashion look. We have 3 lipstick formulas at ILLAMASQUA that all give different levels of colour payoff and finishes, but the most popular is our antimatter range. This is extremely colour rich with just one swipe and gives a satin finish that is super comfortable to wear. It's great for when you want a soft demi-matte finish but with a comfortable conditioning feel. Last year we launched a colour mixology collection that was very much inspired by how makeup artists use complementary colours to correct the skin, but also how sometimes we have to mix shades together to create the perfect bespoke colour. As part of the collection, we not only launched our colour correcting bronzers, but also our Hydra Lip Tints. Now these lip tints give a sheer wash of colour and they're loaded with apricot and peach hazel oil to help nourish the lips. They're very much like a tinted lip balm. But the best thing is how these colourful looking lipsticks use colour mixology. Now each bullet has 2 shades that when applied onto the lips mix together to give a natural soft wash of colour. While the easiest way to apply Hydra Lip Tint is to simply swipe straight from the bullet, as makeup artists you can take varying amounts of each different shade and then mix together until you get the colour you need.